So as I'm editing this video, I realized I completely forgot to film an intro. Anyway, I'm in a completely different outfit from when you see me at the end of this video because I forgot to film the intro. So this is the end result of how my dad dyes my hair. In this video, you're gonna see my dad dye my hair. It doesn't look like this after that. I dried my hair and then I did it myself. I added 2 more drops of the blue and then 2 more drops of aqua. Actually, in the first bowl, I put 1 drop of blue and then 36 or 37 drops of aqua. And then I did it again on dry hair, literally like right after. And it was the same amount of aqua and then I added 2 more drops of the blue. And then it came out like this. I curled it. Well, it's the next day, obviously, but it's daylight because it was nighttime when we did it. So keep watching so you can see how we did this. Like, comment, subscribe. Obviously, you're gonna hear me say that at the end of this video. So thanks for watching and let's get to it. Hey guys, so this is the shrine video of me. Well, actually, this is the shrine video of my dad dyeing my hair. And this is the result. Well, technically, it's not. You'll see what happens. Because after the result I show that my dad did, I actually ended up drying my hair, showing it. And then I ended up doing it again on dry hair. And this is the result. So let me just explain what I did. So I actually used the whole bottle of conditioner. So I used 37 drops of aqua and I used 1 drop of the blue the first time. The second time I did the same amount of aqua drops, but I added, I believe it was 2 more drops of the blue. And mix it all together to make sure there was no more white left of the conditioner, and just put it in. The first time I left it in for 15 minutes. The second time I left it in, I wanted to only leave it in for 20, but I accidentally left it to 25. That was an accident, but that's what happened. And we are here. My hair is actually really soft. It doesn't feel dry or anything. I mean, there's hairspray in it right now because I curled it, obviously. But yeah, this is the color. I have a hoodie on and it's blue, so not helpful. You'll see it later. I have a black outfit on later on in the video. Anyway. Right, well, let's get to it. So let's go watch my dad do my hair.
So as you can see, my desk is a mess, but that's okay. So I'm just going to be mixing this right now. I have a lot of hair, so I'm probably almost going to use this whole thing. The container will be too small for my whole head. Oops. Honestly, if I have left over, I can just use it in the shower for once in a while. So I'm going to just make this a little silver for this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Woo! Okay, that's done.
So I'm here with my dad, and he's gonna dye my hair. Hi, Dad.
Don't touch me, I'm sterile.
No, they're not cool. I already tried. They don't do the pole thing. So for these drops, you have to like wet your hair. And it's gonna be interesting because I'm having my dad do it. So it'll be a little entertaining. Where's my, there it is.
Poor granddaughter's probably trying to break out of jail.
She's in her little room with the gate up.
What are you doing?
The top and the bottom.
What do I gotta do?
Well, I'm just kind of putting my hair separate right now. You're just pretty much gonna smother my hair with that stuff.
With a toothbrush?
No, I just use that to mix it. That's why you have gloves on.
Oh.
So your fingers don't look like this.
Oh, I gotta put my hands in that stuff?
Yeah. See?
Okay.
And just, you know, cleaning off. There you go.
It's coloring my eyes. Now,
You gotta just like put your hand in. Well, you might want to come over here then.
no, this is. Put my hand in like this.
Yes.
And just like. Where do I start?
Down here where my loose hair is, and then I'll let the rest of it go. And you gotta just like.
Oh, like. Oh, this is nothing. This is like put cream rinse.
Yeah, you gotta.
Yeah.
You gotta smother it, Dad.
Yeah, I'm smothering. I'm
And
smothering.
soak it.
I am.
My hair's gonna be as blue as Goku.
Is who?
Goku.
Who's Goku?
Goku!
Oh.
Goku.
That's. I can't even understand that cartoon. I like Bugs Bunny,
I know you do.
Roadrunner.
You have to put more on, Dad.
Huh?
You have to put more on.
I am. I'm getting there.
There we go.
This is kind of like weird.
Why? Mom used to do this to me all the time, remember?
Yeah.
You really gotta get the ends though, because they're like the... Hey, you don't have to do that.
What? You gotta get it in there, don't you?
Just don't knot my hair, please.
I'm not gonna knot your hair. How come it's turning orange?
What do you mean it's turning orange?
How much of the stuff we gotta put in there?
Yeah, just a little more. It's gotta be like soaked, and then we gotta do the rest of my hair. And then we gotta do it all together.
Oh man.
Yeah. Every little strand.
You ain't gonna get it much more soaked than this.
Okay, well then, ready?
Yeah, now what?
Now I gotta do this soap. You gotta do that.
Oh, what did you throw it all in there for?
Because after you get that soaked, you're gonna just do it all together anyway.
Yeah, well, we gotta do it separate. I got it. Ah, there it is.
Yeah.
I'll just cut what I don't use.
No!
What do you mean? I always cut off the stragglers.
Oh, Dad, well, don't forget you gotta get up in here.
Yeah, well,
Okay.
one little part at a time. This is really gross.
Why is it gross? It's blue.
I don't know, it just feels...
It's conditioner and dye. It's not like full, like real hair dye.
Oh, I'd rather gut a deer.
Ew.
There we go.
You gotta get all on my head and everything.
Up there?
Yep, you gotta get all in here. My roots, Dad. You gotta get it everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
Literally everywhere.
Mm-hmm. Oh, jeez.
Yeah, Dad, you gotta like run your fingers in.
I am
through
running
my
my-
hair.
I am running.
Through the hair.
I'm running through the hair. So I gotta
See? That's what she's saying.
There we go. Oh. This. If my friends could see me now.
You never know. Uncle Milk might watch this video. Going on YouTube.
Just under here.
Now just bring the hair right here and push it up with it. Yeah, there you go. I get all goopy because it's all paste.
And what do you do with this after?
You just now pull very forward right here.
Like this?
No, towards me.
That way?
Yeah. No, Dad. Bring your hand. Yeah, there you go. Because you got to get in here.
Oh, I got it.
Yeah.
Oh.
You see all that hair?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, hold it. Oh.
And you got to get all underneath and not just the front.
Oh.
Like you're massaging my scalp.
I am massaging your scalp. There.
Dad, you got to get like this.
All right. Well, wait a minute. There we go. Oh, there here. Oh, you need more share. Blue, huh?
Yeah. It's funny though, because I wanted originally purple over here. Oh, yeah. And Peter was like, oh no, definitely do this one. Like, oh, okay. And like, get like this. Like, go that way.
Yeah, wait a minute.
You just left the whole chunk right there. There you go.
Yeah, okay. I mean, that's pretty soaked.
Okay, well then can you just like put it up on top?
Like that?
Yeah, just kind of like, yeah, there you go. Thank you. And just kind of put it in a little like bun shape thing.
Bun shaped thing.
Yeah, you know, like just, yeah, like that. Just wrap it, it'll be fine. Just smush it, there you go. Now it's good.
This is crazy.
No, here's my hair.
Now what do you gotta do?
Well, now I gotta leave it in for 15 minutes. Well, the box says 10 minutes, but I'm gonna leave it in for 15 because I still got like my dark roots up here. And my dad's just gonna wash his hands and go hang out with my daughter.
And then after I have this all in, I'm gonna wash it blow dry it, and I'm gonna go see their reaction after I give you the preview of my hair before that. So I'll be back.
Okay, are we ready? I haven't even seen it yet either. But in the shower, it looked really pretty. I'm nervous though because my dad did it, so I don't know how much coverage it actually got. Okay. Can you all see this? Ooh. Okay. I'm gonna comb it. Oh, and blow dry it. Ooh. I'll be right back. I got a hair in my eye. Ow. Okay, so I actually ended up doing it again over my hair dry, and this is how it looks. Like, I did this like immediately after. This isn't a waiting thing. And then I curled it, and here we are. I like it. I don't know how long it's gonna last. I'm gonna do a week, and then I'll give a review of it. I think it's pretty cool. My hair is actually really soft still, because you know it was just like conditioner. But it's apparently not really like a dye. It's semi-permanent, but it's more just like a tint. So if you have brown hair, like my roots, it's not really gonna like do anything, just make it darker. That's it. That's all it did. I did end up putting like 2 drops of blue into the aqua for this one. So that's it. This is my Shrine DropIt hair dye with my dad. I like it. I think it's pretty. And I don't know, I'm actually really liking how it looks in sunlight. I feel like it looks like a different color in every kind of lighting, to be honest. There's like green, blue, that is just, I like it. I don't know, it's pretty. Okay, so thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.